Today, we will talk about how to start a business as a kid. Let's have a look at the details. If you love to challenge yourself, start your own business. Create a product or service that you're passionate about and gather the materials and money you need. Come up with achievable business goals and fill out the proper paperwork to make your business legal. With practice, you'll gain valuable experience and confidence. The first step is developing a business plan. Write down a list of things you're passionate about. If you don't already have a business in mind, brainstorm some ideas. Make a list of the things you're really interested in. These don't need to be businesses, but just things you really enjoy. For example, you might enjoy music, building, athletics, or games. If you happen to think of business ideas too, that's great. Come up with a product or service to sell. Look at the list of things you enjoy and think of things you could make or do based on those things. This will be your business idea. For example, if you love baking, start baking cake and cookies, or if you like crafting, create small pieces of jewelry. If you enjoy drawing, make paintings or sketches to sell at local craft fairs. You could turn a knack for computers into a job designing apps. Gather the materials and training you'll need. Make a list of all the equipment you'll need and ask an adult to help you get them. It's also important to get training that's necessary for the job you want to do. For example, if you want to start a babysitting business, you should probably take first aid and childcare classes. Run your business. Also note you might not be able to do this with COVID-19 going around. In person if you like working directly with customers. If you choose to sell your product or market your services in person, find a location such as a booth or a stall. Find out if there are any fees you need to pay in order to sell your items. Create an online presence to help people find your business. Even if you're selling a service, it's a good idea to have a website so people can contact you, read reviews, and see what services you offer. Set up other social media accounts so you can show pictures of your work. Create a budget and look for investors. Make a list of all the supplies you'll have to buy, as well as things that will cost money once the business is going, such as advertising. Examine how much money you have available to start your business and how you're going to spend it. If you need money to start the business, ask your parents or family if they'd like to be investors. Set realistic goals for your business. While it's a good idea to have a few financial goals, such as making money after a month or two, keep in mind that there are other ways to succeed in business. The second step is setting up a legal business. Create a name for your business. Choose something that will make you stand out from similar businesses and use the name when you're registering the business with your city. Get a local permit and pay any required fees. Ask your parents to help you get a business permit. You'll have to go to the city hall or use the city's government website to access the application forms. Pay taxes if you make more than $400 in a year. Keep track of your income and expenses for the year. If you earned more than $400, you'll have to pay self-employment tax. Your parents will still be able to claim you as a dependent for their tax purposes, but you'll have to pay taxes on your business. Distribute flyers or use social media to market your business. Ask your customers to leave reviews online to help spread the word about your business. Reevaluate your goals if you're struggling. It's easy to be frustrated in the early stages of starting a business, but remember that your business needs time to grow. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.